Is your YouTube glitching or freezing on your smart TV? In this video, I will show you how to fix it. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Close the YouTube app on your TV completely and relaunch it. Step 2. If the issue still continues, try restarting your TV by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then turning it back on. Step 3. Check your internet connection because slow Wi-Fi is one of the biggest causes of YouTube glitches on TV. So restart your router if needed. Step 4. Update the YouTube app from your TV's app store because outdated versions often cause freezing or loading issues. Step 5. If none of this works, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app. This usually clears corrupted cache files. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.